Welcome to online class of St. Joseph's Academy. Children, today we are going to do chapter 19 word sums on measurement part 3 of class 3rd Maths Junior book. Children, in this part we are going to do the measures of capacity. Word problems based on measures of capacity. Now let's start it. First of all, we will do the exercise of 19b, which was given as homework yesterday, from question 5 to question 8. So see children, question 5. Joe bought 5 kg wheat flour, 4 kg rice, 2 kg 500 gram of sugar and 250 gram of salt. What was the total weight of groceries? Now very easy children, total weight is asked. You know that addition has to be done. But how to do addition, that also you have to write it clearly. Now weight of the wheat flour is 5 kg. There is nothing towards gram side, so put 0 there. Then weight of rice is 4 kg. There is nothing in gram side. Okay. Then you see weight of sugar, that is 2 kg 500 gram. That is mentioned separately. Then weight of salt is given, that is 250 grams. Now children, add it. See, gram side you have to write gram digits and kg side you have to write digits of kg only. Now when you will add, first start from the gram side. 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 5 is 5 and 5 plus 2 is 7. So 750 gram. Now come towards kilogram side. 5 plus 4 is 9, 9 plus 2 is 11. So total weight of groceries is 11 kg 750 grams. Now children, see the question number 6. Rahul's weight is 27 kilograms less than his mother's weight. If his mother's weight is 51 kg, what is his weight? Now children, mother's weight is given to you, that is 51 kg, and Rahul's weight is not given, that you have to find out. As it is said that 27 kg less than his mother, his weight is less than his mother's weight, but that is given that 27 kg. So you have to find the weight of Rahul. So first you will write the weight of mother, that is 51 kg. Then you will write the Rahul's weight less than mother, that is 27 kg. So children, subtract. So from 1 you cannot subtract 7, so borrow 1 from the 5. It will become 11. 11 minus 7 is 4 and 5 is reduced to 4. 4 minus 2 is 2. So Rahul's weight is 24 kilograms. Now children, see the question 7, that is a carton of books weighs 36 kilogram 120 grams. How much will 8 such cartons weight? Now weight of one book carton of books is given to you. You have to find of 8 cartons weight. So easy children, you have to multiply. Weight of a carton of books is 36 kg 120 grams. Then number of cartons of books are 8. Then multiply children. 8 zeros are 0, 8 twos are 16. So 6 you will write in the answer part and 1 is carry. Then 8 ones are 8 plus 1 carry 9. So 960 gram. Then come towards kilogram side. 8 6 are 48. 8 you will write in the answer part and 4 as carry. 8 3 are 24 and 24 plus 4 carry, that is 28. So total weight of cartons is 288 kilograms 960 grams. Now see the question 8. A carpenter uses an equal amount of glue every day. He uses 21 kilogram 350 gram of glue in a week. How much glue does he use every day? Now every day means one day. You have to find the glue used in a day. So total amount of glue used, that is given to you, that is 21 kg 350 grams. And that glue is used for in a week. Week means 7 days. And here the question is asking that you have to find how much glue they are using per day. That means one day or each day. So what you will do, you will divide. Now total weight of glue is 21 kilogram 350 grams. Then the number of days are 7. So you have to mention weight of glue used in a day. That is 21 kilogram 350 grams divided by 7. Now you have to divide it, children. So 7 3s are 21. So you will subtract 21 minus 21, 0. Then kilogram is written, write kilogram on the quotient also. Then next number is 3, which is smaller than the divisor. So you cannot divide. So write down 0, or no need also. You can bring it next number. That is 5. It will become 35. 7 5s are 35. So write 5 on the quotient. Then subtract. So it will be again 0. Then next number after 35 is 0. So write down that 0 on the remainder part and on the quotient also, because 7 zeros are 0. Then grams is written, write down that unit, grams. So total answer is 3 kg 50 gram. So glue used in a day is 3 kg 50 grams. Now children, we are going to solve the word problems based on measures of capacity. This exercise 19C is based on that. So measures of capacity means liquid measurements we are going to do. So see the first question. Harpreet bought 1 liter of mustard oil, 1 liter 500 milliliter of sunflower oil, and 250 milliliter of olive oil. How much oil did she buy? Now total oil you have to mention. That means you will do addition. Now how you will do addition, you can see here. Weight of mustard oil, that is 1 liter, right? 000 or 0 on the milliliter side. Then weight of sunflower oil, that is 1 liter 500 milliliters. Then weight of olive oil, that is 250 milliliter. There is no liter. No liter is mentioned, so leave that part and write in the milliliter part only 250. Then children add it. 0 plus 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 0 plus 5 is 5. 5 plus 2 is 7. So milliliter part you have got 750, and liter, that is 1 plus 1 is 2. So total weight of oil is 2 liter 750 milliliters. Now see this question, 2 children. A milk booth had 400 liters 600 milliliters of milk in the morning. By the evening, it had 79 liters left. How much milk did it sell? Now here the question says, in a milk booth in the morning, total milk was 400 liters 600 milliliters. And after selling the milk, by the evening, it had only 79 liters left. So you have to tell how much milk was sold. So first you will mention the total weight of milk, that is 400 liters 600 milliliters. Then you will subtract the milk part left, that is 79 liters. There is no milliliter, so in the milk part left, so you will write 0 in the milliliter part. Then you will subtract, children. Now from milliliter side, there is nothing is written except 600, so write down directly 600 in the answer part. Then subtract liter part. From 0 you cannot subtract 9, so you will borrow 1 from 4. First 4 will give to its neighbor, then its neighbor will give to 0 to the next number. So it will become 10. Now 10 minus 9 is 1, and then 9 minus 7 is 2, and 4 is reduced to 3. So write down 3 directly in the answer part, as there is no number below 3. So total milk sold is 321 liters 600 milliliters. Now see the question 3, children. A painter bought 5 liter cans of paint. How much paint did he buy? Now number of cans here are 4, as it is mentioned, 4 5 liter cans, and the weight of one can is 5 liter. In a can only 5 liter paint can come, and number of cans are 4 here. So what you will do? You will do multiplication. First you will mention the paint in one can, that is 5 liters, and then you will write number of cans, that is 4. Now 4 5 is 20. So total paint bought is 20 liters. Now see the question 4, children. Madhavan divided 600 milliliter of juice equally among 4 glasses. How much juice did he pour into each glass? Now here each is asked, children, again. Say 600 ml of juice, total juice is there. And Madhavan divided it equally among 4 glasses. So number of glasses are 4 and total juice is 600 ml. You have to tell how much he poured into each glass as he divided equally. So division will be done here. Total weight of juice is 600 ml. Number of glasses are 4. Then children, you have to divide it. Now see, 4 ones are 4. 4 twos are 8, which is bigger than 6. So you will take one time only. So 6 minus 4 is 2. Then bring down the next number. It will become 20. Now 20 comes in the table of 4 5 times. So write down 5 on the quotient. Then subtract 20 minus 20 is 0. Then bring down the next number, that is 0. So put it remainder as 0 only and write down 0 on the quotient also, because 4 zeros are 0. Your answer will be 0 only. So leave it as a remainder and your total answer is 150 ml. So Madhavan pour the juice in each glass, that is 150 ml. Now children, it's a homework time. From exercise 19C, you have to do question 5 to question 8. All the questions are very easy, children, and already you have learned how to do the addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, how to understand the question. I hope you have understood the topic, all the word problems very clearly. So I hope you will do it with this. Thank you.